Hi, I'm Sarah, Toyota Product Specialist, and today we're going to talk about the best ways to maintain your Toyota to keep it running and operating like new. Getting your regularly scheduled oil changes is the best way to extend the life of your vehicle. Buildup from dirty oil robs a vehicle of its fuel economy and power, and also causes internal components to have to work harder. If an engine has to work too hard, it may have more problems down the road and a shorter lifespan. A regular oil change provides better fuel economy, a cleaner engine, better engine performance, and lower vehicle emissions. The rule of thumb is you should service your Toyota every 8,000 kilometers or 6 months, whichever comes first. So remember, make a date every 8. At your Toyota dealer, an oil change is a quick and easy process. They'll drain your existing oil, replace your filter, and fill up with new oil. There are a lot of reasons why having your tires inflated to the proper PSI is a smart choice for efficiency and safety. Properly inflated tires have better performance on the roads, which means less slippage in wet road conditions, better grip on rough terrains, and better handling when turning. Full tire also has better fuel economy, where an underinflated tire can lower gas mileage. An underinflated tire also can't support the vehicle, so it could end up having excess heat and eventually holes, costing you more money in the long run. Many of Toyota's vehicles have tire pressure monitoring system, which monitors the temperature and pressure of each tire, alerting the driver if there's an issue. The rule of thumb is your air pressure for your tires should be checked once a month. Winter tires have an optimized tread width and are made from a different rubber compound that provides better grip in cold weather conditions. This improved grip helps to prevent slipping in snowy and icy roads. Even vehicles equipped with four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive need winter tires. Winter tires aren't just for snowy or icy roads. Even on a dry road, as temperatures drop below 7 degrees, winter tires develop a better grip, whereas all-season tires begin to lose their grip, and summer tires typically lose their grip altogether. So change to your winter tires before it drops below 7 degrees, around November in Ontario. I'm Sarah. Thank you for watching our video with tips and tricks on how to maintain your Toyota. If you have any questions, head to your local Ontario Toyota dealer. I'll see you next time.